Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see what is self sign certificate and how to self sign a certificate and how to run localhost in HTTPS mode. So with that, let's get started. So we will just create a simple Node.js server and try to run that in HTTPS mode. So for that, we will just use npm init -y that will create a package.json file. We will also using express, so you can just install that or use that with npm I express. Make sure that you have node.js installed in your system. So I hope you have node.js installed. So with that, we will create server.js file and we will use some libraries. We will use express that we just installed from express. Sorry. And we will, okay, we should sorry, this should be express. That's it. And we can just use HTTPS from HTTPS, and we will initialize this app variable with express, and we can just serve some simple content like hello, we are running HTTPS. So that's it. We will just create a server with HTTPS. So for this we need here you can see in option field we need key and cert. So to run localhost in HTTPS we need that key and cert, key.pem and cert.pem. So we will be using OpenSSL to create key.pem and cert.pem. So I am using WSL here. So if you are in Linux or Kali, you can just run the OpenSSL command directly. So I am just using this WSL, and we will you can use this command to run. So this is the command, guys. OpenSSL request and x509. This is the certificate. Notes this is the expiry. So for how many days this certificate will be valid? So it's for 365 days. And this is the RSA, that is cipher used to sign. Like this is the used to generate the certificate, basically private key and public key. And this is key.pem, this is the public key, and this is cert.pem, which is the private key, and this is common name, that is localhost, which is the name of our domain. So we will just click and see we got the cert.pem and key.pem, and we can just use this. So after that we need to have fs module from Node.js itself. So after that, in option field, in HTTPS module we have option field, and after that app. So in option field we can just give the key. So key here is key.pem, and cert here is cert.pem. So that's it. We will then just listen this on some port, let's say on 4000, and we can just log this console.log server is running on port 4000. That's it. So we are ready. We can just run this server. So we will just use node server.js. So see, server is running on port 4000. So we will just go in browser and type HTTPS localhost and port, that is 4000. See, we got certificate warning, that is not secure. So obviously, so our certificate is self signed. So browser will give this warning, that is not secure. You can just click on advance and proceed to localhost. So see, we are getting hello, we are running in HTTPS. So we got the serve content here that we served earlier, that is we are running in HTTPS. So it's showing not secure because certificate is self signed and it is not validated by CA, that is certificate authority. So this is how you can self sign your certificate, and you can just add exception also that this warning will not show, but this is only for testing or in local, or if you have you are in internal network, then you can use self sign certificate. But if you are in production, or if your application is internet facing, so it's recommended never to use self sign certificate, and always use certificate obtained from certificate authority.